Hi everyone. Yeah, Avinash here. Avinash Sunny. Okay. Hi leaders. I want to make some sharing with you all. Do some sharing with you all. Okay. When you want to do the terahertz water business, yeah, what you need to do is you need to first have the jug. Okay. You need to have the jug. Okay. Then you must make sure you have the bottles. Okay. These bottles you need to first have your empty bottles. You need to source your empty bottles. Empty bottles come in this form. You need to go and find the nearest wholesale dealer near your place through Google. Then you find the wholesale bottle supplier. Then you go and buy the wholesale bottle supplier. It comes together with the cover also, the bottle. Okay. Then you must make sure you buy some plastics. Okay, get some plastics. Okay. Then once you got the device, then you can do all this bottling. Then once you bottle, labeling is up to you. Labeling, you can see we have a label here. Okay, we also sell the label. Okay, you can get the label from us and then you can label it like this. Like myself, I don't put here because my main intention is to sell the device. Okay, to help people get the device so that they can consume and they can also share. So I only give the bottle with the water crystal clear, okay, with the label here. I have a QR code here, so when they scan, it comes to my WhatsApp business or my WhatsApp. So I have also thought everyone can also get your own QR code from your phone and do a sticker like this. In that, you can send as many brochures, flyers, information, way how to consume the water, everything they can send. You know, what is important is they drink the water. You know, when you focus too much on the labeling, then it becomes like mineral water. This is not a mineral water. Anyway, that's my point of view. Okay, for those who still want to use the label and find that maybe your customers, they find it not suitable without the label, they are so attracted to the beautiful bottle, then of course we have the label. You get the label and you can do it like this lah. Okay, like this bottle. Okay, and another one you must also get is the label. We have this QR code label also we do for you, and we have this label. Okay, I already told you. And you must also get your flyer. We have flyers in Bahasa Malaysia, in English, and also in Chinese for now. Tamil not yet, coming soon, but we have in Chinese, we have in English and Malay. Okay, and you must also get some laminated guide how to talk to your customers. We have, you can ask about the sickness and how it recover, how they recover, everything. We have the system here, so we can have a handheld presentation to our customer by having laminated copies. Okay, this is for internal, all this for internal. Okay, we do events, we do blood test event. Okay, you must have bunting, you must have your bunting. Okay, then you must also have to bottle the water. Make sure to have your water tank, mini water tank. Okay, about 60 liters, so that easy for you to do the packing. And very important, you must have your water filter. Any water filter, a good water filter from the market. Make sure, because the monthly installment that they have also is very reasonable. It's easier to get a water filter rather than you to go and buy outside any mineral water or any distilled water or from any vending machine also. It's going to consume and zap your time. Best you just install a good water filter at home. It's convenient for you to prepare. So these are the main things that you need, okay, for the water, for people to consume. So we also have external. For external, make sure you have ample of this mini 100 ml, 150 ml sprays. You know, sprays that they can spray for the entire body. You know, because this is very important for external spray. People who got allergy, acne, and all that. Okay, they must have the spray. And this is for those people who are having eye problem. You know, betterment for eye and everything. They can use the nano spray. As I've told earlier, nano spray. Get this also. Okay, it's important. Okay, because when it comes to sales, Okay, anything can attract the customer. Maybe the device don't attract the customer. They don't understand about the water, but this might attract. So you can give the customer the nano spray, or you can give the customer the blue spray together with the water. So when once they try, they see, wow, so much of improvement for my face. My eyes is getting better, you know. So they want to know more about the water. So when they want to know about the water, because everything regarding beauty and health, automatically you can talk about the water and you can talk about the device. You know, that's how it goes. Vice versa. So make sure you have all these tools with you. It's very important. Okay, make sure. Okay, because it works when customer tries it externally, it works, so they will want to know about the water. So we can sell as a package, you can sell as a package like this, or you can sell as a package like this, you know. I've mentioned in the group, you know, how much you can sell and everything. Then sooner or later it will come to the device, get me? Okay. And also the device, make sure you get your power bank. Okay, because you're taking mobile, you need a power bank. Make sure you get a power bank when you are doing the device, you know, for demo. And make sure you have enough material, you know, power slides material with you to show to your customer, marketing materials with you. Make sure to get got English, got Malay, get all this. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you all. Okay, I wrap it up here. I think I've covered almost everything. Okay, all right, thank you. So all the best to everyone and semoga berjaya. Okay, we serve all, we love all. Okay guys, bye.